Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have right here. It's kind of heavy, but it is a tabletop fire pit. And so it comes with a little rubber bottom, a couple of pokers here. Are these extendable? Yes. So we can roast marshmallows on it or whatever we want to do. A little metal plate here. I'm going to guess it's going to be to cap it off. But let's open it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is it here. My box is empty now, so there we go. Okay, I'm gonna open up all the pieces and parts. I'll aim you guys down a little bit so you can see what I'm actually doing. Okay. Okay, so here we go. So we have, this is our fire pit, and you can look at it. It's like a rock or something like that. I don't know what it is, but it's super heavy duty. And it's really nice. It's got that speckle look, and then it's got that open cavity in the middle. And then we have our, let's actually look at the instructions so we can make sure we set it up according to the scope. Okay, so the plan will be, we would put this into here, and then we have, this is our burner here, our stainless steel burner, and it's got wicking material like I don't know what it's called. Like cotton inside of it. And then, so that will be in there. And then it looks like this will go inside there when it's burning. This will be on the bottom of it to keep it from scratching anything. And then when we're done, to put it out, we go like that to put it out. So that'll be it. I'm going to set this up. I'm going to go pour some oil or something like that in here. Let me see what I need to use. We just want isopropyl alcohol. So pour new stainless steel burner with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Well, I definitely have alcohol, so we're gonna go put the alcohol in here, and we're gonna try it. Actually, I could probably even do this indoors, but we'll do it out on the patio just so you can get a full idea of how it looks. Okay, so here I am on my patio, and I've got my little tabletop burner here, and we're gonna open it up. I filled it up with some alcohol. I had 99% isopropyl alcohol that I put in there, and I've got my handy dandy little electric match. So we're gonna try this thing out here and see what happens. And it is lit. Oh yeah, it's hot, but I don't think we can see it, but maybe at night we'll be able to see it a little better. But this is it here, and it's definitely putting out heat. I don't know, every once in a while I see a little glimmer of fire. Maybe you guys can see it there. So it does have fire. At night I'm sure it'll look a lot better, but we'll be hanging out here definitely a lot of nights, hanging out with a nice little fire pit, and then we can do some roasting of marshmallows or whatever we want over our little fire pit. How cool is this? This is like the greatest little set ever. So that looks awesome to me. I'm gonna say thumbs up for sure. Beautiful day.